How to add a song in Edits. In this video, I'll show you how to add a song to your Edit using the Edits app on Android. It's super duper simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, launch open the app on your Android device. Now you can tap on New Project or open an existing one by selecting a photo or a video. Once you are inside the editing section, look for a music note icon or a button labeled audio, music or sound. Pick your song, then click on this arrow icon, then hit on done. After that, play your project to preview it. If it sounds good, tap on export to save your videos with music to your phone. And that's it, you have added a song to your edit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button. And also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.